All right, writers and learners. So I have made an error. So I ended up overfilling the oil on my Interceptor 650. I realized I knew the process, but I did not, I wasn't on a true level space when I was checking for the oil. So take a look. As you can see here, it is way too full. It needs to be between these two. I'm on a level space now, and you can see it's past this. It needs to be max to up here, lowest down here, somewhere in between. And here we are. So we're gonna fix this right now. So what I'm gonna attempt to do is screw this off here, and then I'm going to, let's see, and then I'm going to let a little bit out and plug it back in. I've been historically unsuccessful doing this, but we're gonna try that today. And if I mess it up and too much comes out, I always have more oil to put in. So we're gonna give this a go. And we're back. All right, give this a go. Oh shit. Okay. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Come on, Steven. Come on. Just a little bit. This is tight. Oh, shit. Woo! Just a little bit. Come on. You should let up too much oil. I don't have another washer. Oh boy. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Sweet. I think I did it. All right. Whew. Nice. I think it worked out. Wow. That's the first time I did it successfully. Oh, well. All right, now time to clean this up and tighten it up a little bit. It looks like so far I do need to check and see if you need to run it a little bit and make sure that the oil is perfect, but I think we're in a pretty good place where I don't have to do an entire oil change again, which makes me very happy. I think that's good. I don't think that's going to be moving at all. All right, so the next step right now is to start it up a little bit. So I want to give it a start, let it run for a little bit, make sure that the oil is where it needs to be. Luckily it wasn't too overfilled because it didn't take that long to get out, but that's kind of where you want it to be, right there. So we're going to start it up. We're going to see if when it comes back to normal, if it stays right there, then we're good to go. All right, now let's take a look and see here. What does it return to? All right, so it seemed to return to where I need it to be. So right there it is between the two markers. We are on a level field here. And I think we should be good to go. I'm wondering if I should add more. But probably not. I'll wait a little bit to see if I actually do need to add anything, but this looks pretty good. So that's the video, folks. Thanks for watching, and here's to no more overfills for everyone, and how to quickly do it. Empty it out in case you overfill a little bit. Accidents happen. Like, comment if you have some other tips. Subscribe, helps the channel out, and I'll see you in the next video.